Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey, by the way. I'm gonna be doing some thrifting today. I haven't done a thrift vlog in a long time and I miss it. And so I thought I'd bring you along. I am heading to New York in a few days for like a week almost with a friend, and I'm super excited, and I kind of want to see if I can find any small little fun pieces to bring with me. The weather is going to be much nicer there than it is here in Minnesota. It's already quite cold here, and it's going to be in like the 50s in New York, so I'm pretty psyched. So I'm excited to wear like actual cute clothes and not just like bundle up for the day. So I'm going to see if I can find anything. I got off work just like half hour ago and I headed here. So I'm gonna see if I can find something today, which today is member day at like my favorite thrift store. And so it's 25% off, which is kind of why I came out here. But I might make another stop either after this or tomorrow, kind of depending on how fast I can get through here. So I just thought I'd bring you along. It's been, like I said, it's been a long time since I've done a little thrift vlog, so I thought it'd be really fun. So join me. Hopefully we can find some fun things. Let's go. Much luck, which is probably good because like I said at the beginning, I don't need anything. I was kind of just looking for maybe like a fun thing to add for my New York trip. So I decided I'm not gonna go to another thrift store, but I am going to run to Old Navy really fast. Every year like this time, for some reason, my favorite pair of jeans from Old Navy, they're just like a classic skinny jean. They rip. And so mine ripped like last week. So I need to go pick up a new pair because I definitely need those for New York. So I guess I'll bring you there for something soups exciting. So here we go. Can you see me? It's like pitch black outside. I got a new iPhone, which is supposed to be better at like dark light video and photography, so I'm kind of surprised at how bright I am on camera right now. I just picked up my jeans, yay, and now I'm heading home because it's dark outside and I need dinner. Hey guys, it's the next day. I wanted to share with you what I got. Like I said, I think at the end of the last clip, I didn't end up buying a lot of things, which is probably good. So I'm gonna share with you the one thrifted item that I bought. I was actually on the lookout for like a top, but I ended up finding jeans that I really, really like, and they are like way different than any other jeans that I have, so I thought, I'm gonna get them. So they are these like high-waisted and like super high-waisted, which I love. Flare, but like wide leg. They're almost like a trouser jean kind of thing, but also like very hip. I don't know, they're really cool, and they're like a nice faded black color, and they're actually brand new with tags. It's from the brand Weekday. And I normally wear like a 29 or 30, and so they're 29 and they fit beautifully. They're so cute. They were $11.49 at the thrift store, but yesterday was the 25% off day, so I don't know, 25% off of $11.39 is probably like $3 off or so. And so I'm very happy with this purchase. They're kind of like a funky length. Like they don't hit the ground. They're like kind of like right above, maybe like this much above the ground. And so they're not like a kick flare, which I also love, but they're just like this funky kind of pant that I need to like mess around with. I'm excited to see what kind of looks I can get with these, because I feel like I could wear like some chunky boots with them, or just like tennis shoes, and it'd be super cute. With like a denim jacket or like a leather jacket, kind of dress it up a little bit. And so I am super pumped with my one thrifted clothes find. My only other thrift find was a dish set. So I have been collecting vintage dishes for like the last few years. I had originally started with like this floral pattern plates, and then I kind of found out they had like mugs, but they didn't really have anything else. They didn't have bowls, they didn't have larger plates. It was just like a small salad size plate. So I still love them and I think they're so cute, but I've since decided to start collecting Corelle, because you find vintage Corelle, or at least I feel like I find vintage Corelle often at thrift stores, especially ones, there's one by me that's like specifically home goods stuff, and I feel like I find it there all the time. So I've been slowly accumulating some Corelle dishware, and I found this set for $4.99, and this is like one of my favorite prints, I think, or like maybe even my favoriteest print. But it has 3 of the salad plates, which I feel like I have so many of these dang size plates now, but not a lot of like the dinner plates, so I still need some of those. And then it had 1 saucer, which isn't my favorite, and it doesn't even fit the like mug that came with it, but it kind of comes with the set. That's the problem with thrift stores sometimes, is they put things in a set and you can't buy things individually, because I would have not bought this. But again, this was $4.99 for 9 pieces. So there was just 1 of these, so maybe I'll just use it as like a jewelry tray or something, because it's still cute. And then it had 1 bowl, which I have yet to find any vintage Corelle bowls yet, so this is my first one, and I'm pretty psyched. And then it came with 4 mugs, which these are actually Pyrex. They're not Corelle, but they're the exact same print. And I actually have this print in Pyrex bowls, and like same color, same print. And so I wonder if Pyrex and Corelle are like the same company. I don't know, but it's the exact same print, same color. And so it came with 4 of these, which I don't usually buy mugs. We don't really use mugs around our house very often, but I am taking one to each of our coffee shops so that it can be like my mug while I'm working there. So I love these. I think they're so stinking cute. So that was everything from the thrift store. In total at the thrift store, I spent like $12. So for jeans and 9 pieces of dishware, I think that's pretty good. And then the other thing that I thought I would share with you that I ended up picking up was these pair of jeans from Old Navy. These seem to be like my yearly pair of jeans. They're a classic, just like skinny jean. These are actually the Rockstar Super Skinny Built-In Sculpt Never Fade black jeans. I love a good pair of black skinny jeans. They're like a great everyday pair of jeans. I feel like you can dress them up, you can dress them down, and they're just like great with anything. I wear a lot of denim on top, and so sometimes I don't want to be denim on denim every single day, and so it's nice to have black jeans. These are a mid-rise jean. They're not super high, but they fit pretty high. It's not like a low-waisted jean or anything. They did have high-waisted ones on their website, and I was trying to find them in store, but I couldn't find them. So I just went with these ones, which I've had these exact pair the last 2 years. They're just a classic skinny jean. I wear a size 10 in these. I feel like Old Navy is all over with their sizing. Sometimes I'm like a 10, sometimes I'm an 8, sometimes I need a 12. I guess that's all brands. All brands are all over the place. The one thing I will say about these jeans, while I do love them and I get a lot of use out of them, they're expensive for Old Navy. They're $55, and I feel like that's a bit of a stretch, Old Navy. Like, that's kind of a lot. I feel like they had to raise their prices because literally every time you go into Old Navy, something's on sale. Like, do not ever buy anything full price from Old Navy. That's the stupidest thing ever. So these weren't technically on sale, but I had a $20 off coupon because my husband bought like some workout clothes last week and they're doing their super cash stuff. So I got these for like 30 bucks, which isn't bad. I would have waited until Thanksgiving because they always do 50% off during Thanksgiving. I would have waited, but I'm going to New York and I need some skinnies for while I'm there because I'm just gonna bring these and like one other pair of jeans. And so these were a must. And like I said yesterday, I buy these once a year and they just always seem to go out this time of year and I need to replace them. So great Old Navy find. So that was my little thrift / Old Navy haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me on this little vlog. I kind of miss vlogging. I haven't done like a normal vlog in a long time, so I might have to do a few of those this like holiday season. I think it's really fun. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time,